Hi, welcome back to another video. This is Sarah, I'm a mum of 3, and this is what we got up to on the Sunday. The day started with Ethan and Gav deciding how to add something to this hoverboard go-kart. Then Gav did some ironing. He is very good at ironing and he loves to do it. Then Corey's getting ready for his exam, so he just had some time chilling there. I think he's contemplating what he's going to do, just spinning around. He loved this thing. So, well, it's Ethan's hoverboard, but the others seem to use it as well. Maggie there watching what everybody's doing in the kitchen. And here I made a little hamper for Corey to enjoy, because he's got his exam starting this week. And then me and Gav went, as well as going to Home Bargains to get that stuff, we went to the allotment where Gav did some watering. I had a little walk around to see what was going on at our plot, what is growing, etc. Everything seems to be doing okay, actually, even though it is very hot. So we're having to do daily watering, really, to keep it under control. The pallet collar area at the end there is looking quite good. We've planted lots of stuff there, so just needed to start growing. We've all put more of these in and put something in between them as we get hold of more of these. So yeah, the allotment is looking like it's doing okay at the moment. I don't want to say it's going to be productive this year. I hope it's going to be productive. The polytunnel did need a good water as well, just to make sure. And then we came back. We've had some spa time, which was nice to chill. And there's also been some pool time as well today. So that's all pretty cool. So I hope you're having a nice Sunday. Let me know what you've been up to. Thank you.